This is how you assemble the bolts and nuts under 1 minute. First, we're going to create a new file, assembly, and then click OK. Then insert the components. First, we're going to insert the bolt. Place it somewhere there. Then go to insert component again and navigate to the nut and insert the nut. After that, we're going to go to mate and we're going to select mechanical mates, screw, and we're going to select the edge of the bolt. After that, we are going to select the inner part of the nut and they're going to go together. We're going to set this distance per revolutions to be 2 millimeter because the pitch is 2 millimeter. Hit OK, and as you can see, when you rotate the ball, the nut, everything rotates together.